You are on a journey. Take a moment to appreciate the journey on which you are. Look back at where you used to be. Look at where you are now. You will see that you have made some progress. You will see that something has happened. Even though you might not see that big result that you want to achieve, but I want you to appreciate the journey you have been on. Just look at somebody like David in the Bible. God anointed David as king, but it had to take him years for him to step into that position, for him to step into that role. And during those years, God was preparing him for something greater. Overcomers, you might have been working so hard and you are not seeing the results. In everything that we do in life, we are on a journey. It could be your workout routine. You are on a journey. It could be that maybe you want to change your finance. I want you to know you are on a journey. It could be that maybe you are working on your marriage. You are on a journey. We are on a journey. You know, God might have called you as king. God might have anointed you to be that best version of yourself. But guess what? It's a journey. You are on that journey and God is preparing you for that great results, for that great outcome. You know, every day, whatever you do, you are planting seeds toward that great purpose. Whatever thing you do, let's assume that you are working on your business. Maybe you get up in the morning, you open your computer, you create an account, or you just do something that is based on your business. Guess what? You are planting a seed toward that great end. Maybe you get up in the morning, you just put on your gym shoes. You have been wanting to start working out and you've not been able to carry yourself and go. But today you got up, you put on your shoes. Guess what? You are planting a seed toward that great end. You might not see the results. You might not see the outcome now. And it's like you've not done anything. You are not seeing any result yet. Guess what? You are planting a seed and that seed will definitely grow. Maybe you want to work on your business. You struggle to even carry yourself into it. Or maybe you've been doing it and you've not seen results yet. Guess what? You are planting a seed. Every time that you sit and you are contemplating about your business and you are taking action, it's a seed that you are planting. You might not have seen the results yet, but every effort is a path to that great purpose. God has promised you that future. God has promised you that thing. Just as David, God promised David that he was going to be a king and it took him a long time, right? Even though God has promised you that blessings, God has promised you that bright future, and it seems as if it's taking long. Guess what? You have to be patient in the time of waiting. This season for you might be the season of waiting. While David was waiting, he faced so many challenges. And so during our waiting season, we might face challenges. We might face difficult time, but it doesn't mean that God is not working. Just be dedicated. Keep working hard. In due season, you shall surely reap. One thing that I've come to learn is that when you plant seeds, guess what? That seed will grow and that seed will bear fruit and we are going to reap from that fruit. But you don't plant a seed today and the next day you start harvesting fruit from that tree. It takes a while for the roots to go deep. It takes a while for the tree to grow. It takes a while for the tree to start bearing fruit. The deeper the root, the taller the tree, guess what? The fruit will also be better. And so you might be in the season of waiting. One thing that I know for sure is that so long as you are patient with yourself, you will surely bear fruit in due season. Even as you patiently wait, I want you to know that your growth will come as you overcome the trials that you go through on your journey. Before David defeated Goliath, he remembered how he had defeated the lion and he gathered courage. He knew that because he did that before, God was with him before. He knows that he is going to do it again. Imagine that he had not overcome that challenge. How would he have had confidence to be able to overcome Goliath? You know, as we go through those things in life, we go through those difficult seasons, we go through those challenges, and as we keep overcoming them, that gives us confidence, that gives us courage to know that if we could achieve those small things, if we could overcome those small things, then there is assurance that we are going to achieve those big things that are ahead of us. That's what happened to me even in my business. When I realized that I could make $1 from online, that is all the sign I needed to know that actually we can make money from online. And from that time, I saw, oh, I could make $100 a day. I could make $1,000 a day. That changed my mind completely. Overcomers, if you can overcome that small challenge, challenge. It could be maybe just opening your Etsy shop. It could be just opening your Amazon account. It could be just creating a design. If you are able to overcome that one initial step, I want you to know that you are able to overcome the greater things that are ahead of you. Those challenging moments that you see ahead of you and it seems as if it's so big, it seems as if it's so frightening, and you put in effort and it feels as if you are not doing anything. Overcomers, I want you to know that so long as you were able to achieve something in the past, so long as you were able to overcome something in the past, there is greater hope that you are able to overcome the ones that are ahead of you. Above all, I want you to know that the God who has called you has equipped you to accomplish everything He wants you to accomplish. When you come to realize that this is not even your struggle, all you have to do is to play your own part, and God who has called you take charge of the rest. Then you'll be resting in His arms. You will rest assured that it's not your responsibility to produce results. It's not your responsibility to have the outcomes. Your responsibility is to play your own part, to take the daily steps, to do the things that you are supposed to do. And guess what? God brings the results. When I began to see myself as God sees me, I saw that my Father values every part of my life. I saw that my Father wants me to achieve everything that I have to achieve in life. I saw that He wants me to be the best version of myself. I saw that He wants the best for me. Things completely changed. And I saw that my Father wants to take care of me so long as I give Him the chance. Things completely changed in my life because I no longer see me trying to achieve that thing. I see I and my Father working to be able to achieve that thing. I see myself putting the work, knowing that I'm not alone. My Father is with me, helping me throughout the entire journey. And it's exactly the same thing with you, overcomer. Your Father is there with you. Your Father wants you to achieve the best. Your Father wants the best for you. Your Father wants you to be the head and not the tail. Your Father wants you to be the best version of yourself. Your Father wants to help you. Your Father wants to carry you through this journey. Your Father sees the tears. Your Father sees the pain. Your Father sees the hard work. Your Father sees the effort. It's not you alone doing all of this. It's not just you putting in all the effort. Your Father wants the best for you. Don't be so critical about the results that you are not able to achieve. Don't be so critical about the things that you have not yet seen. Sometimes we beat ourselves. Sometimes we think we have not lost weight the way we want to. And at the end of the day, we think that we did not achieve anything. So long as you put in that effort, so long as you try, so long as you keep going, so long as you don't give up, your Father sees a hardworking daughter. Your Father sees a hardworking child. I want you to know that your Father sees you just as you are. And don't beat yourself about the things that you are not able to achieve. Don't beat yourself about the things that you are not able to accomplish. There is nothing you can do. All you can do is to put in the effort that you can. And when you put in that effort, God takes charge over the rest. The rest becomes His. Assuming that you started a YouTube channel and maybe you are not getting views yet, are you going to be able to go and bring views to your channel? No, you are not able. But what are you able to do? You are able to optimize your SEO. You are able to create beautiful thumbnails. You are able to create high quality videos. You are able to create engaging titles. Those are the things you are able to do. So just keep doing your best. Keep doing what you are able to do. Guess what will happen? Your Father, who is there with you, will bring the results. And so, why should you be beating yourself and thinking that your channel is not growing, thinking that your effort is not yielding results? It's not your place to do that. If you look at my channel, we are currently at 30,000 subscriber plus. It did not start like that. It started with 1 view, 2 views, 3 views, 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers, and now we are where we are. That's how life is. It's exactly like that. As we keep putting in the effort, as we keep putting in the work, guess what? We are going to be blessed. So overcomers, don't worry about what you see today. Just keep doing your best and you are going to definitely see the results. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you watched this video up to this point, I want you to put in the comment section that I am an overcomer. That will help me to know that you watched the video to the end. If this is your first time here, I want to really appreciate you for becoming a part of the overcoming team. And you can just click on the next video that YouTube is recommending to you, because YouTube knows that that video is going to help you, and I'm going to see you in that video. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon